Vaheguru, student of 8th standard. Today we are going to start our chapter number 9, simple and compound interest. Firstly, let us discuss what is the meaning of simple and compound interest. Simple interest or in short form we will write SI, simple interest. This is the amount that is calculated on the principal at the given rate of interest. Amount which we calculated on principal at given rate of interest for given time. The amount that is calculated on the principal at the given rate of interest for the given time is called simple interest. So how we can calculate the simple interest? Principal multiply rate of interest multiply with the time divide by 100. What is the principal? That amount which is borrowed or lent. Amount which is borrowed or lent is called principal amount. Interest, additional money paid by the borrower for the principal amount is called the interest. Let us take an example. See, if principal is given rupees 5,000 and interest is given 10%. So 5,000 10% interest is there. So that means the additional money, total amount is 5,500. 5,500 is to be paid by the borrower to the money lender for the principal amount is called the, this is basically is called the interest rate. And what is the amount? That is the total money. Amount is called the total money paid by the borrower. Total money that is paid by the borrower is called the amount. So how to be calculate the amount? Amount is equals to principal plus interest. Total money, this is same as an example. Principal is given 5,000, time is given for the 1 year, and rate of interest is 10%. So what is simple interest? That is principal multiply rate multiply time divide with the 100. This is 500. So 5,500 is principal plus interest, that the amount which is paid by the borrower is to the money lender is called the amount. Next is what is compound interest. When we calculate the interest for the successive periods is called compound interest. So the difference between the final amount and the, so what is the CI? This is the difference between the final amount minus the original amount. Final amount and minus the original amount is called the compound interest.